Hello, what is up guys? Today I will be teaching you how to build the plane on Mob of the Dead. And so it's pretty simple actually. Okay, so me and my friends already bought the door, but the first thing you want to do is get the key, whether it's in the warden's office or the cafeteria, but ours is by the cafeteria. So yeah, I shocked that panel to lower the key, and then to skip all that parkour to open that door to the laundry to get the sheets or clothes, whatever you want to call it, that part. But yeah, so I did all that crap, and so yeah, this is not required to fly the plane, but sorry. Oh, I thought I was gonna do something else. And then, okay, so here it is. So in here, there's a part route. Okay, yeah, right over there somewhere. Yeah, you want to get somebody to go in the afterlife, shock the panel right behind it, and then have somebody activate it. But as soon as you do that, there will be flames closing up the door, which really sucks, and Bruce will sometimes spawn, and yeah. But we got really lucky and we ended up taking out Bruce with the M1911. And so yeah, my friend Jakar here grabs this. Oh, thanks Jakar for helping me do this, because you grabbed like 2 of the parts. And see, yeah, let's move on with our next part in a little bit. But I hope you enjoy the rest of this. Okay, so the second part is in the infirmary, where the second dog is to get the Hell's Retriever, and yeah, that part that's locked in the cabinet. So then this is how to get to the plane, like activate it. So yeah, wherever I'm going, just kind of follow that, and then that activates it. So have all your friends go build their parts on there. Or whatever. I skipped that part, but yeah, okay, this is Jakar playing. So he didn't unlock that. He was pretty smart. So he went over here, and then here. Come on, dude. Okay, so then he shocked this. He's kind of being a noob, just jumping over that, trying to jump there. Oh well. But yeah, he shocks that anyways, and then that opens up, and yeah, so after this, let's move on to our next part. Okay, so the next part is next door to that third dog for the Hell's Retriever. So you go up, you kill yourself in the afterlife, and then okay, he's on the wrong spot. Okay, but on the opposite side, there's panels that you can shock. Like, they look like that just now, and then you have to go in that, and there's 3 panels. That activates the part in the Warren's office. So yeah. So yeah, while he was okay, so there's the part in the warden's office, just to tell you. And then this guy, when we get to him, he put in 935, which is the code to start the song. I'm not sure if you can hear that. And now he's putting in the code to activate the part. So yeah, there will be numbers along the stairs when you go in the afterlife. So after that, he has to go and up and revive his body. And oh, by the way, I'm YouTube-TDH. So yeah, let's wait for him to get over there. Come on, dude. Come on, hurry up. Why didn't I fast forward this part? Okay. Oh well. Oh yeah, I know. Okay, so he's gonna take a left here, and then right there's a part, but he had the shirt, so he couldn't grab that part, and they're not showing the parts for some reason on screen, but okay, so you go here, and he's just building his part right here. I don't know why I showed this. Again, I'm such a noob. Yeah, the song's still playing. Where are we going? Come on, dude. Okay, max ammo. Go, go, go. Okay, and so he finally put in the part, but luckily only me and him got on the plane accidentally. So yeah, so that's me with the MTAR. And so yeah, I'll have a link to get how to get the Blargat. I'll try at least. And yeah, so yeah, I hope you liked this video. Be sure to stay tuned for all my Call of Duty Black Ops 2 zombie tutorials and storylines and all that stuff. And peace. Leaving a like would be very appreciated. So please smack that like button with your mouse keyboard. Sorry, on your computer. Take them out. Take them out. Okay, but yeah, let's just let this go play through. So yeah, peace.